All right, so we took a little bit of a newsroom poll and decided we're going to make a jack-o'-lantern. Actually, Chef Anthony's going to make it, so we'll see what he's got planned for that.
I'm using just a large tip.
Making a orange pumpkin base. Okay.
And I'm filling in to give us a base coat.
Just, you know, the solid round one is what you're working with?
Yes.
And
just a large.
And that was just to really put frosting on there so you could spread it?
Yes. And with the confines of the container, I want to make sure.
Which is not really the shape of a pumpkin, so.
No, but.
Working with a little bit of a challenge there. Well, you have to have a face if you're doing a jack-o'-lantern. Is yours going to be happy? Probably would help if I didn't move the table on you.
That might help just a little bit.
Sorry. Now, our googly eyes are white on the back. They don't. If you needed something white, you just have the black dot on one side, and those are edible. You can make them for teeth. Well, that is a very happy pumpkin right now.
No, he's interesting, but I think he needs
eyebrows or hair? Thinking.
I think he needs another eye.
Oh, because it's a jack-o'-lantern.
I know he's kind of goofy looking, but the idea behind this is for you to go out and just have a little bit of fun with it. And the icing is easy to make, so you can practice all you want. Mm-hmm. And my kids were so excited when they learned how to make this at school. I've had so much cake and so much icing over the last several weeks. I'll be good through Easter.
Mm-hmm. You're like running on sugar, literally. Like
pretty
your
much.
Diet is icing, so.
Yep. And when I have a student, every time that we make the icing, she likes to disappear with a glass and a spoon. Yes. But that's okay. She has fun with it. We enjoy having everybody in class, and everybody has their twerks with it. And one of my other students, it doesn't matter how many times I tell them, don't wear black, don't wear black. She always ends up head to toe covered in powdered sugar or flour. So we all have fun. The idea behind it is to have fun. That's the biggest purpose of that class, is just to experience something new. And that's what we do.
Mm-hmm. So it shows some options that you can do for just like your traditional pretty cake decorating with Halloween colors.
With Halloween colors.
Using the frosting as your top, like to make the decoration. And then this one is an example of one where you have a base with your decoration on top of it.
Exactly, and it's just a lot of fun. And if you buy a kit like this, it comes with the spindles to make flowers. I never figured out how to hold my hands steady enough to make the flowers because I shake a little bit when I do it, so my flowers always come out kind of funky looking, but I have fun trying to do it. And there's any multitude of things in there. You can do just about anything that you want. It's just a matter of practicing with it.
What is something, like, even if it wasn't Halloween-y, what's something cool that you could do with, because I've never really worked with, like, angled ones or something like, or one like this. Like, what would you, this one is kind of a funky
that one's
tip.
kind of fun to use.
It's flat, it's like half star, half angled. What would you do with something like that?
Now, this particular kit comes with the collars that fit the tips themselves, so this is a wonderful idea to do.
Mm-hmm. Just different angles of ropes, or?
No, that's one right there that you can do with it. This is a little bit harder to do. My hands are a little shaky and my icing's getting a little warm, but you can almost lay up a daisy style flower with it, and I have the wrong shaped cake pan. But it lays out this very beautiful rope line like so.
Okay.
So you can...
It kind of angles it more to where if you wanted like more of a two-dimensional type thing.
Two-dimensional setup. kind of a
That's pretty.
little flower. And it just takes, I'm not a baker, or I can bake, but I'm not a decorator. But I have fun playing with the tips, and I have fun playing with the icing, and I love to make it and just to do goofy stuff. This is more my speed of stuff that I like to do. This is why I do it, because I can make something goofy and funny and make people laugh.
Or go ahead and make a lovely pork product as a gag gift.
That's right. So just having a little bit of fun, doing something, experimenting a little bit, that's mainly what it's about. Because you can, the more you play with these, the more things that you can do. And if you use tips like this one right here, you can do those old Wilton cake pans that are in the shape of a cake, or in the shape of a superhero character, and you just make little dots.
Okay.
And it comes out really nice, and you can have fun. But the idea behind it is just to play with them and to learn something with them and have some fun.
All right, well, we are out of time today. If you want more cake decorating tips or just recipes in general, just make sure you go to our website, KOEMnewsnow.com, and click on the morning show link.
That's right.
All right, and we'll also have a link to the recipe for making the cake on there from last week as well. Thank you very much, and we will be right back.